How to fix Instagram video upload failed problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and check your internet connection and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection. And if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. See if that helps, and if not, then go ahead and swipe up on your screen with Instagram on it, and further force quit the app and then reopen Instagram and then try uploading again. See if that helps, and if not, then you can simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor bugs in your iPhone. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then open Settings on your device and then tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, navigate to Instagram and tap on it, and then offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. See if that helps, and if not, then open Instagram and check for the video format and size, as if the file video is too large, then the video's uploading may fail, and if the video format is incorrect, then the video uploading might fail too. See if that helps, and if not, then open Settings again and then tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, make sure that you have enough storage space, as upload needs temporary storage for the time being. See if that helps, and if not, then sometimes it also could be your account issue. So make sure that your account is not restricted, and make sure to avoid posting spam or repeated content. See if that helps, and if not, then open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram, and make sure your Instagram application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the app. Lastly, see if that helps, and if not, then it simply could be your Instagram server issue. So go ahead and open Instagram and make sure that the server is working just fine, and if not, then you simply have to wait for the time being. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram video upload failed problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.